Guys, I just got an order and I'm going to show you guys exactly what $250 worth of trending product gets you inside of one box. And this is from an order that a customer got from wesply.com. If you don't know, that's my wholesale website where I dedicate a bunch of my products to selling to all resellers all over the world. The reason is because I wanted to give resellers a platform where they don't need a business license or an LLC or EIN. They can actually start getting products wholesale, and we are introducing our retail sector coming very soon. I'm working on that now where you can get wholesale or people just come and buy retail, right? But we're going to be breaking down $250 worth of products, and we're going to go into the box and do a deep dive. Now, before the video starts, I want to let you guys know you can follow me on Instagram and TikTok at Hustlertaughtme, all one word. And also, if you want to follow my personal page, it is Educated__Hustler. I can't wait to see you guys over there. Make sure you guys DM me once you follow me so I know who you are and we can talk, chat it up. I'll give you tips and tricks on these platforms that I don't put on YouTube. And also, if you don't know, every link in my bio gives you access to a chance to get into the community for free. All you got to do literally to get in is go to the link in the bio, hit free resellers community, fill out the information so I know who you are, and then you're in there like swimwear. And in this community, I'm giving you a whole bunch of access to guides, and I go live on there and I tell you guys all of the juicy secrets and exactly how I get products and a bunch of things I cannot tell you guys on YouTube. So make sure you guys join that community. Now let's get into the video. Alright, so here is the box that we will be using for the resellers kit. Now, I want to make this very clear. The reason why I actually created this kit was because when I started as a reseller, I was having trouble finding products wholesale. I couldn't find products that were actually trending and products that I could get one of one. So I had to buy a whole bunch of different quantities. So prime example, for AirPod cases, I would have to buy 6 or 12 or even 24, but I couldn't get 1 or 5, right? For headphones, I had to get 6 or I had to get 20. Like, they would tell me exactly the quantity I had to get in order to get the discount. With the resellers kit, you're able to get discounts for a bunch of products, and these products are all selling online. So you guys are going to be boxing this with me. Now, $250 on wesply.com gets you 30 trending products. Yes, I said 30 trending products. And also, you're going to get a bunch of things that you can utilize to build your platform, whether it's eBay, Facebook, whether it is OfferUp, whether it is Walmart, Seller Central, Walmart Marketplace, wherever you're selling, you will be able to actually utilize these products, even customer facing. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put this box on the ground, okay? And we're going to go over some products, all right? So number one, we want to go and start off with the big boys because I think it's really important to emphasize that every reseller's kit has one of these. It's going to be either these, which are the Gen 2 clones, or you're going to get these, which are the Maxes. Now, these are products that are already selling. They're already going to get your platform buzzing. But the issue that I have with these is you don't want to sell these first, right? Because if you sell these first, yes, you're going to get customers to buy. But the main point is to create a snowball effect. So what we want to essentially do is utilize these products to see which product is selling really, really fast and well on our platform so we can order more. So that hence is why this is the reseller's kit, right? Because we want this kit to be an introduction to different products that you are going to be able to order wholesale on wesply.com. Now, give you a little insight, wesply.com, you can order as many as you want of any product and it will come to your doorstep within 2 days if you hit that option. And also, you're able to get unlimited products. You don't have any restrictions. You're able to have us as your sourcing partner. Now, what I want to do is I want to go and we're going to do this. We're going to put 4 of these Gen 2. So let me actually show you exactly what it looks like. We're not going to take the plastic off, but you do want to take the plastic off when you're sending them. None of the products are going to have any copyright material on it because we don't want you guys to be getting caught up with any copyright problems with your eBay. So we're going to put 4 of these in here, okay? So again, each of these we would sell for around $60. So if you really want to be quite frank, and we could do the math together, right? How about that? And I might not put all these numbers on the screen, so I'm going to just do the math right here, right? So at minimum, you want to sell these for $50, $60, right? But what you want to end up doing is getting it to the point to where you're selling more, right? So you want to go from 60 all the way up to 90. I wouldn't go past 90, but we're going to just go 60 times 4. That's going to give us $240. That is your investment for the resellers kit right there. But that's not all, right? We're actually going to also put in 3 of these kits. 3 of these maxes, okay? Now, this is going to order 03871, okay? And you live in Missouri, okay? So, shout out to you. And I'm not going to dox you, but shout out to you. Now, you're going to put up these 3. So, we're going to do a red one, which we just got in actually, a black one, and we're going to do a blue one, okay? All right. So, now, with that being said, we have these in the box. Maybe I might just put 2. I'm just going to put 2. Let me just put 2 because 3 is going to be too much to actually ship this. So we're going to put in 2. Okay? All right. So next what we're going to do, every order is going to get one of these. Now these are cable cores and there's 20 of them, but we count these as 10 products instead of 20. Okay? Now these are great in-post buys, but also really, really good if you are trying to get your account established. What I like to tell people to do is you list these in bundles. So bundles of 4, 6, 10, whatever you choose, and you sell these and ask customers for feedback immediately. It's a quick way to get feedback, okay? So we're going to put those in, and those are going to be the Type-C to Lightning, okay? Next what we're going to do is we're going to put in some cases. So I think I'm going to put in only the black ones. So we're going to do an iPhone 16 and an iPhone 16 Plus case in there, okay? So we're going to put this in there. So that's 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so we're at 19. Then what we're going to do is we're going to actually put in a speaker. So yes, speakers do come in the kits. We're going to put in this TG655 speaker. I love this speaker. Just did an unboxing for one of these as well. So we're going to put that in there. All right, now I haven't been doing the pricing, but so we have put in 2 of these maxes. These maxes are going to go for anywhere between the $80 mark to $120. We're only going to be pricing this at the lowest starting price. So we're going to do $80. So $240 was where we were at with the clones. We're going to do the clone maxes. So we're going to add 2 sets of 80. So that's going to get the box at $400. Okay. Now what we're going to do is we're going to throw in the trusty dusty and reliable MagSafe wired chargers. So you can sell these for $7 each, okay? So we're gonna go ahead and add $7 to the 400 plus 7 because it's 2 of them, okay? So that's $414. And then what I want to throw in there too, guys, because that just reminded me, I want to throw in these too. I want to throw in these right here. Ow, that was cold. I want to throw in this MagSafe battery pack, which you can sell for $14. So we're at $414 already. We're going to add $14 more. All right. So right now, the total box price and evaluation is at $428. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 19, 20, 21, 22. Okay, we got 22 products in here already. Okay, we're going to add in privacy glass, okay, so that's gonna be 23. Now this is only, we would sell this for like $5, $4. You want to bundle this, so we're at $443. Okay, next what we're gonna do is we're gonna put in a battery case. Okay, this right here you can sell anywhere between $25 to $30. One of my favorite things to utilize is the battery case, so we're gonna do a $25 profit to that, so that's $458 is going to be what that box evaluation is going to be. And then we have 4 of the Type-C MagSafe, so watch chargers. So we're going to add 4 of these, so you can sell these for $10 each, so that's $40. So you can sell this $10, $15, okay? So we're going to add $40 to our already $458, so we're at $498 right now. Okay, so we're at 19. We're at 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. We're at 28. 2 more products, guys. 2 more products. So the two products that we are going to utilize, let's think, guys. Let's think. Let's throw in a new product, okay? Let's throw in two new products. So we're going to do this. We're going to do the 45-watt adapter. This comes with the adapter and the charger. This is for Android. Look at this packaging. It's so legitimate, okay? We're going to put that in. So this right here, you can sell for anywhere from $12 to $15. So let's add $12 to the $4.98. So now we're at $5.10, okay? We're at $5.10. And then we have this 20 mAh. 20, you can charge 5 iPhone 13 and 14 Pro Maxes with this, okay? So this right here, 20 and up for sure, okay? So we're at $5.10. We're going to add that 20 piece. So $5.30 is going to be that evaluation, all right? So you can make $530 from this box. Now, let's be very clear. I would not only sell this on one platform, on an eBay or just a Mercari or Facebook. I would literally sell this customer facing too, and see who and what type of people love this type of box. This is what the box looks like. Beautiful. I love it. I think that this is going to sell great, and I really can't wait for you to experience this when it gets to Missouri. Again, I love doing these orders on camera. A lot of the times I'm in the warehouse, so I can't do it here. But I'm going to start doing a lot more because it's time for people to start seeing the value of this. So again, guys, make sure you guys check this out for sure. Now, guys, before I go, what I do want to talk about is some strategy, right? So, again, I get a lot of people that get these kits, and what I've realized is a lot of them, they think that just because they have products, that the products are just going to fly off the shelf. Now, remember, if you're having slow sales, the problem is not the product issue. It's because either you're not putting the product in front of the consumer or you're just waiting for the consumer to come to you. Like, I want you to purchase this, right? So we've all had that time where we walked into a phone store and it was dead, right? Nobody was in there. Usually what you tell your employees when that happens is you're either going to wait for the customers, that's called clerking, or you're going to go out and get them. A lot of you guys are clerking. A lot of you guys are just waiting for the products to sell. The way this works is, yes, you do want to go on eBay. You do want to list them on Mercari, but you also want to go out and you want to try and get people involved in seeing your product. Why? Because see, when people start to see your product and they start to see your face and they start to see that you're confident in the product, they become confident. That's when you start seeing what products are selling for you and what aren't. Right now is the perfect time since it's about to be the summer, and you can, of course, hit flea markets, pop-up shops, and more. So guys, there's a bunch of different ways. One, you want to bundle. So I love bundling a bunch of these products together. It makes the process smoother and, of course, gets us more money while also helping us cut down on shipping. And this is really important because, again, shipping is a real big expense when it comes to shipping a lot of products all at once, and also separate, okay? Next, you want to offer free shipping and bundle the shipping price in the price of the product. This is something that helps, right? So I know that we all want to offer free shipping and we all want to have a profit of like 2x or 3x, but if I'm trying to make this make sense, I'll say this, right? If you have a product that costs you, these products cost you way less than what any product would cost you for the value that these products are. But let's say you had a product that costs $10. Instead of just selling it for $15 or for $17, you want to add the shipping. Let's say the shipping is $3.50 or $5. Let's just say $5 because it used to be $3.50. Now it's $5. So let's say it's $5. You want to add that 5 to the 10 or to the 17 or whatever you're selling. So let's say we're selling it for 15. You want to list it for $20. So you want to add that shipping in the price so that you are covering your butt by also making sure that the shipping is covered, but you're also giving that customer an illusion that they're getting an all exclusive price, but in reality, we are charging them for shipping. Don't tell nobody I told you. But people do that all over. And again, guys, it works and it makes things it really does make things easier, but it makes things more convenient because instead of having it to where you are blaming the lack of sales on the fact that you're not able to ship, or maybe you just like, oh, I'm off free shipping and take less. I'll take $2 profit. Instead of doing that, you're going to be able to win and be able to recoup your funds from the shipping regardless. Next, you want to make sure that you are relisting things that don't sell. So with Mercari especially, you want to take things down, relist, take things down, relist all the time, because you'll see that it's a bunch of different people that will view and some people won't purchase, and you want to make sure that it stays relevant. So you always want to relist things that are not selling. All right, guys, so again, make sure you guys are checking out wesply.com. hit the Resellers Kit tab and go and get your Resellers Kit. And yes, we have a bunch of options. I have the regular Resellers Kit, which we're packaged just now. That's the 30-piece box. But you can also get a 50-piece for $320, and it comes with a bunch more value. But you also can get the 6-piece, the 4-piece, and also the 12-piece product box. These build your own boxes allow you to have a little bit more flexibility because you're actually picking what product comes in the box. Alright guys, we are dedicated to supplying your demand, but also making sure that we help you as a reseller build, grow, and most importantly, profit. Thank you guys so much for watching. The link to wesply.com is below. Make sure you guys continue to make money work for you and not work for the money. Go ahead and join that free community so you guys can talk to me and see me working on an everyday basis. I love you guys, and I'll see you guys in the next video.